Hi, my dear friends. Hope you are doing well. I want to thank you, everyone, whoever subscribed my channel and watching my videos. I really thank you, all of you guys. So today is very special because this type of video, like introduction video, this is the first time in YouTube in my channel. When I was planning to create the channel, the motive was different. I was just thinking, okay, everyone has a YouTube channel, so I will also create. But slowly, I realized I should do something for the art industry as an artist. So what I did, I just trying to do some easy watercolor and started posting in YouTube. Suddenly I saw excellent response in like last 2 months. Now I planning to do more videos, no editing, no mixing, nothing. They're just simply watercolor videos. I'll show step by step watercolor, the palette, the medium I am using, the brand, the brushes, everything. There will be nothing I am going to hide. Because when I was a kid, I really appreciate all those people, all those senior artists who guided me. Now I am planning, I want to do something for those guys, those students who are not able to join art colleges or art institute. In my channel, I will always try to do something new, something special for those newcomer artists. Now let's talk a little bit about my favorite medium. This is watercolor, of course. You already know. Like last 10 years back, when I started professional watercolor, I didn't know really about all those hidden truth behind watercolor, like medium, like color, paper, brushes, etc. Slowly, I gathered knowledge, I got experience, and nowadays I am planning to share all those knowledges, whatever I gather, I experience to all of you guys. Again, I am saying there will be no editing, nothing. I will just paint and I will just capture in the video and I will share all of you guys. I believe if I am not going to hiding anything, you will believe me. Yes, we are learning something new from this channel. This is my motive. Again, I am saying my favorite medium watercolor, but also I am going to share some other medium as well, like acrylic, soft pastel, oil painting, etc. So it will be my request to all of you, stay tuned with me and explore the art world. Any question regarding fine arts, watercolor or any other medium, openly ask me in the comment section. Like if you want to know the brush, which brush I am using, which color I am using, nothing I am going to hide from you guys because you are the main power, main energy to create much better work for me. Okay, so I am not going to hide anything. This is the only way to grow up, to grow my YouTube channel. This is my belief. Like last few video, I got 2000 view, 3000 view, 4000 view, 5000 view, 6000 view. And when I started the channel, 2 view, 3 views, 4 views, sometimes I got very disappointed, like I was very upset why it's happening. Now slowly I learn, I know the algorithm little bit, and now I'm trying to explore more about YouTube. And I believe if I am honest, my channel will grow up. Of course, your support is important, very important for me, and hope you will support me. Please share the channel to all of your friends and family who really want to learn fine arts. So that's it for today's video. So next video I am going to share step by step all the different medium and the materials, paper, pencil, etc. whatever you need for art. Okay. Once again, thank you everyone. Please do subscribe the channel, whoever new in my channel, and press the bell icon so that whenever I am going to upload any video, you will get a notification. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.